On Monday morning, a man was dragged off a United Airlines plane by 3 security officers after refusing to give up his seat due to overbooking. According to reports, the incident occurred on Flight 3411 from Chicago's O'Hare Airport for Louisville. The ordeal started when the plane announced that 4 people would need to give up their seats for 4 United employees who were needed in Louisville. When no one volunteered, a manager then came aboard and said passengers would be randomly selected and asked to leave. Reports add that the man who was physically removed said he was a doctor who had patients to see the next day.